Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking inputs and purpose so every decision has a target. This is why clarity matters. First, inspect your CSVs or sheets, confirm date and numeric types, and drop irrelevant columns. Once done, define one primary metric and audience, executive, analyst, or customer, then pick a responsive grid, for example 16:9 with 8px spacing. Make sure to sketch one compact layout. This first visual pass prevents messy changes later and speeds polishing. You now refine the building blocks because consistent atoms speed polish and reduce cognitive load. Start by setting a typography scale with clear hierarchy and accessible contrast. Choose sizes and line height that work across breakpoints. Next, standardize components, cards, filters, legends, and tooltips, with explicit padding, elevation, and focus states so interactions feel intentional. Then assign color tokens and apply the 60-30-10 balance to guide emphasis. Once components you finish by polishing micro-interactions and validating data, because presentation without accuracy harms trust. First, add clear microcopy for filters and empty states, then test keyboard navigation, colorblind modes, and mobile pinch gestures. Once done, verify data refresh cadence and export paths, and run a light performance audit to keep load under your budget. If visuals or data misalign, first clear caches and rebind components. If still broken, check source schema mismatches. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.